Today we're diving into the wacky world of adult training. You know what I'm talking about, those sessions you have to attend for work. You're stuck in a room, the air conditioning is either Arctic blast or non-existent, and the instructor is basically narrating a PowerPoint presentation. But it doesn't have to be this way. We're about to unlock the secrets of training that actually works, the kind that makes you want to participate, not plan your escape route. Get ready to ditch the boredom and say hello to learning you actually enjoy. All right, let's talk group discussions. Now I know what you're thinking. Forced small talk with strangers? Pass. But hold on, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it like a potluck. Everyone brings something unique to the table, whether it's their experience, their perspective, or maybe just their really delicious potato salad. Suddenly, you're not just listening to one person drone on. You're part of a conversation, sharing ideas and learning from each other's insights. Okay, next up is role-playing. Now before you start picturing awkward trust falls and pretending to be trees, hear me out. Role-playing is like the ultimate try before you buy experience. It's a safe space to step into someone else's shoes, maybe a customer, a colleague, or even your boss, and practice those tricky interpersonal skills. And the best part? You can totally mess up. Simulations are like role-playing on steroids. You know what they say? Experience is the best teacher. But sometimes the best teachers aren't the ones standing at the front of the room. They're the people who've been there, done that, and lived to tell the tale. That's where peer-to-peer learning comes in. It's like having a walking, talking cheat sheet right next to you. Let's talk about mentorship, people. Now, a mentor isn't just someone who gives you advice over lukewarm coffee in the break room, though that's a bonus. A mentor is like a seasoned traveler who knows all the best routes, the shortcuts, and the potholes to avoid. Think of it like having a personal Yoda for your career, except hopefully your mentor speaks in complete sentences. Okay, let's be real. We live in a digital world. And thankfully, the days of lugging around those giant training manuals are long gone. E-learning is like having a personal trainer for your brain, accessible 24/7 on your terms. With all the amazing apps and tools out there, you can literally learn anything, anywhere, anytime. Remember the days when attending a training session meant actually getting dressed and leaving the house? Well, thanks to the magic of technology, those days are over. Virtual classrooms and webinars have made geographical barriers a thing of the past. You can connect with experts and fellow learners from all over the world, all without sacrificing the comfort of your own home. Plus, let's be honest, it's much easier to resist the urge to online shop when you're supposed to be paying attention. So what have we learned today? Effective training isn't about boring lectures and endless PowerPoint slides. It's about interaction, collaboration, and using technology to make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Share your stories in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.